there you have it. If you think this video is good stuff, please tap the like button and share it with your friends. If you have a question or you just want to say hi, whack it in the comments below and I'll get to them ASAP. Of course, I'd love you to join me on this journey. Just tap on that face with the green circle to subscribe. That way, when you need good cleaning advice, it'll be easy to find. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.